Hello, students. Welcome to Humanities 260 Intercultural Perspectives. My name is Professor Anderson, and I'm really looking forward to teaching this class and working with all of you this semester. This is a remote learning class, which means we will be meeting in a virtual classroom. You will see in our announcements here, this is our homepage in D2L, a link to the first virtual meeting, which will be August 19th at 9:45 a.m. If you missed that session, there will be a link to a recorded video of that session. Today, in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the important features on our homepage. So of course the content page is most important. It's where you're going to find all the material for this class. But you can also explore the assessments section, which will be where you access your grades and discussions and assignments and quizzes and so on. Course resources will also take you to some important pages like the library and class lists, where you can access the emails of all of your fellow classmates and other such features. And then the help page will be particularly important if you have any particular problems with your technology and you need some D2L support. So for today, I want you to make sure to start to delve deeply into the content of our course. You will see here the table of contents, and for you, you will have it on that first tab, and that will show you all the material we're going to cover. So you will see that this class is what we call an open education resource class, which means you will not need to purchase any textbooks. They're all embedded in the content of our course. I want you to make sure that today you start to read through the Start Here folder and read the class approach documents, as well as the important course documents and the foundational ideas and introductory activities documents. You will see that there are due dates here listed for you. And for readings, those are just not, there's nothing due necessarily on that date, but that's just a date to help you think about how to pace yourself through the course content. These ideas will all be very helpful for you in the way that we approach and talk about the four different ethnic groups that are the main focus of this course: Native Americans, African Americans, Latinx Americans, and Asian Americans. We will delve into the history, art, music, and literature of each of these groups in this course. This is also an intensive I course, and so you will find there is a large final paper and some writing resources for you as well. All right, so that's the beginnings of how to navigate this class and what to look for. One final thing is the course schedule. If you click on the course schedule, you will find that here it will also help you pace yourself through when things are due in this class, and it will give you a link to those things as well. And so this is a really nice way to just check in and see what's due when. You can see I'm filming this on Tuesday the 18th. So for me, tomorrow, August 19th, there are some things to read. You do not have to read them before class. You're welcome to read them after class. And if you get through this, then you'll be ready to move on and turn in some work on Friday, which you'll see your first discussion post is due on that day. You can also click on full schedule and see the entire schedule for the entire semester if you'd like to start planning and marking when important assignments are due. We will basically have work due on Mondays and Wednesdays, and then sometimes on Fridays. All right, everyone, I look forward to seeing you live in our first class tomorrow, Wednesday, August 19th at 9:45 a.m. Take care.